How are you doing? This is Martin from Gardens for Life. I just wanted to demonstrate how easy it is to pull up weeds, in particular perennial weeds, when you're using mulching or covering the garden in a thick layer of wood chips. So this patch of ground has been covered with a lasagna bed for 2 years now. Hardly any perennial weeds have come through, but I'll show you guys here. This is the blackberries that are tip layering from the hedge here. So this is where the stem has rooted or tip layered. Check this out. This must be like a 6-month-old blackberry plant, but I was able to pull it up just like that with my bare hands without a shovel, not even leaving a hole in the ground. So you can just cover that over again with wood chips, and that's it. And this bit here now, we'll just cut that back. Now in the British Isles we always have enough blackberries everywhere, so I don't think anyone would want this. But we're growing something much nicer actually. It's a thornless variety of blackberries called Loch Ness. So this will not be needed. Throw it away and hopefully it'll dry out over there. And here's a nettle plant. Let's see how easy that comes up, including the roots of course, otherwise it'll be back in 5 minutes. There you go, look at that. Without any effort, I can pull up nearly the whole plant. It's the roots. So, and here's some more grass coming through, because this is at the edge of the bed, between the path and the bed. We'll check it out. Quite easy to pull out with all the roots. I mean, literally it only takes probably about 10 minutes for a patch about that size there. Probably about 10 square meters in that, 3 by 3 meters. Maybe about 10 or 15 minutes per year is all it takes to weed that. But considering what type of vegetation there was here before we moved in, it was crazy. It was covered in blackberries and thistles and nettles completely. There's an interesting plant over there.